Hey guys, it's Mack here again. Time for another short, sweet tutorial on how to use the Plenty platform. I made these series of tutorials so that you could go ahead and just watch each one if you're stuck at a certain point in Plenty swapping process or Plenty farming process. So please just choose whichever video you need. Anyways, so today we're going to focus on adding liquidity. So like I said, we head to the Plenty website. We go to swap, then you press the little liquidity tab. And last episode we got GIF DAO. So I'm going to go ahead and add GIF liquidity. So press the GIF button. From here, you want to go ahead and you want to, whichever value is least. So I have 1.6 Plenty and I have 8 GIF, which 8 GIF is worth a lot less than 1.1 Plenty. You want to make sure you click on GIF, okay? Click on the GIF price on this one. Because if you hit max on this one, it's going to say 49, but you only have 8. So that's kind of an issue with the Plenty platform. Not an issue, but basically you can't click on this one for the max. So it's going to be really confusing for people. But what you can do is delete this, press 8.9, oops, 8.963, or you can copy and paste this. And Plenty, if you guys watch this, please go ahead and add a clickable for the second one on the bottom. That would be great. Make the user experience much better, I think. I would delete the last decimal because I have a feeling that might give me an error. But well, we'll give it a try. Let's see if we get an error or not. If you get an error, you might have to delete an extra decimal or something like that. It happens with Plenty sometimes. But if we're lucky... Oh, but it's working. That's great. Okay. Maybe it's because it looks like there's a bunch of contracts it has to interact with. That's why it took so long. Okay. It's working! So, once you add liquidity, this is not the final step in the process. The final step is actually adding to the farm. So make sure during the next episode you watch my farming tutorial. Anyway, so we're just going to wait for this to confirm, and then I'll make sure it's confirmed in the wallet, and then that'll be it for this episode. Coffee is so good. I don't know what it is with like Colombian. Oh. Amazing! And by the way, I got this shirt. I think it was from Tezos, Israel, and I didn't realize that when I had my hamster, or my Daegu, on my lap, he chewed holes in it. He's trying to tell me I'm fat or something. Chew off my fat, I guess. I don't know. So I should be able to head over to farms, and then I can see it when I go to the gift DAO one, and then I know it's worked. Okay? So in order to confirm this, you might not be able to see it, so I can see it here. So I'm going to head to my next episode and show you guys how to add your liquidity to the farm and start getting those Plenty rewards. See you next time.